Hey guys, I am back and it is time for us to unbox our June 2021 Stitch Fix. So for those of you who aren't aware, Stitch Fix is a monthly clothing subscription service. You fill out a little survey of what you like and what you don't like, and your sizes and your problem areas or things you like to avoid. And then you get paired up with a stylist who selects 5 items for you. Something that Stitch Fix has just most recently done within the last couple of months is they've started a preview service where your stylist will select, I believe it's like up to 10 items, and you can choose your 5 items, or you can just choose a couple and then have your stylist pick some new ones that weren't in the preview for the rest of them. And spoiler alert, I ended up loving everything that my stylist put in the preview. I ended up loving it so much that I chose all 5 items, and it was a real big struggle trying to decide which 5 items for me to come try on. So with that being said, if I don't end up liking any of those items, it's no big deal, because there is a prepaid mailer inside the box to send back anything that you do not wish to keep. So that's nice, and then you don't get charged for it. Normally, Stitch Fix, there is a $20 styling fee for every box, and then you only pay for what you keep. But if you do keep anything, that $20 is reimbursed. If you are on Style Pass though, which I don't think it's something you can purchase just outright. I think they make you do a couple boxes first before offering it as an option to you. Excuse me, I just had a sparkling water and everything's very burpy, very bubbly right now. But anyway, Style Pass is where you pay $50 for the year and you don't have any styling fees and you only pay for what you keep. So that's what I'm currently on. Anyways, let's dive on in. Other things in my box. This is the invoice. I like to save that for last. I don't like the prices of things to judge what I keep and don't keep. But with that being said, they were included in the preview, but I don't quite remember all of them. And then there is also a note from your stylist about suggestions about how to style things. So this is what that looks like. And let's go ahead and see what my stylist has to say. Hey Amanda, happy Fix Day and welcome to Fix number 22. Okay. Sorry, it's been a minute, like 2 things just popped in my head. 1, I can't believe it's the 22nd Fix from Stitch Fix. Second of all, Taylor Swift song, 22, some great college memories from that. Anyways, I hope that this is finding you happy and healthy in Texas. How exciting was your Fix preview experience? I'm so glad to see that you found multiple items that you look forward to trying on. Now let's have some fun and start trying on some clothes like the Just USA denim shorts paired with the lush cami blouse, and just add some strappy sandals for a fun and casual warm weather option. How do the shorts fit you? Do you like the style of the blouse? Try out the Fortune Ivy knit midi dress and let me know what you think about the style and length of the dress. Please, always feel free to let me know which items are working well for you and how it can improve to better help you in the future. I can't wait to hear from you, your friend Brittany. Interesting, I did not request a new stylist, but I do know sometimes Stitch Fix will switch up your stylist. I also know, like, I'm pretty sure they like have vacations and stuff, guys. Like, you know, what? See, now I feel like Holly was my stylist's name. It's fine. Was it Holly? Or am I just thinking of Holly from The Office? We'll figure this out at some point. I kind of feel like a trash person now. It's fine. Let's go ahead and dig into this. And this is what the bundle looks like. I will say this box, compared to the last unboxing video I did, this box is very, very small as opposed to that last box, which was very, very large. And anyways, let's see what's in here. So this is, I think, the top that she suggested we pair with the shorts. It might not be, you know, apparent on camera at first sight, but this is a pretty sheer top. But if I pair it with a nude bra, maybe like a nude strapless bra, it might not be that big of a deal. And this is the perfect thing I like to wear in the summers here in Texas when it gets real hot, because it gets hot, like it hasn't yet. We've been having like an eerily chill early summer, late spring, whatever you want to call it. It's like terrifyingly chill lately. Like we haven't had a 90-degree day yet. It is June like 6th. We haven't had a single 90-degree day yet. Like, climate change is real, y'all. But anyways, when we do eventually reach those 90 and 100-degree temps, like we normally do in April, this will be a perfect top for that. The next item which, ooh, I remember picking this out. So it's like a cardigan slash kimono. It is floral print. It's also very sheer and lightweight, which is great. I still have my grandparents' 65th wedding anniversary that I'm going to in about 2 weeks now, I think, yeah. And this would be a perfect piece, especially for like transitioning from like spending the day outdoors and then you come in and you're cold because air conditioning and you just throw this little bad boy on. I am loving like this lace detail at the sleeve, giving me life. It's also at the bottom of this little cardigan. Oh God, I love this thing so much. I haven't even tried it on. Like, I can almost, maybe I'm getting a little cocky, a little too confident. I think that's a keeper. Anyways, the next item are a pair of shorts from Just USA. I have gotten several pairs of either shorts or jeans from this brand from Stitch Fix that I enjoy. They are frayed at the bottom and there's just very minor amounts of distressing on the back. But otherwise, these look like they're either mid, actually, I think these might be high rise. We'll have to see how they look. And then another pair of shorts, but they are in black and they are Vigos, which I like Vigos, but I do think these might be a little too booty short for me. I don't know, we'll have to see, but I don't have any black shorts at the moment. And these look very cute. I love this, what's the word I'm looking for? It's like the lightness on the short. I don't know what it's called. I love it though. I love how these shorts look. I just hope I love how they also look on me once I try them on. And then lastly, this is the dress that I picked out. And again, a floral print. Shocking. Actually, I think, yeah, all of the tops in there had floral on them. Welcome to my channel. I like floral things. Anyways, I am loving how this dress looks. It is a little bit longer. I'm a little hesitant because I have short legs and I have like thick German lady calves. So sometimes, depending on the length of dresses or jeans or anything, if they like cut off right at the fattest part of my calf, it's not super flattering to my body type. So we'll just have to see. But this is giving me some like 90s vibes, but like in all the best ways. Anyways, let's go try all this on. So I am loving this dress for just all of it. One, it's super flattering. I am sucking in the gut just like a little bit because I'm super bloated because hormones at the moment. But like, even when I'm not sucking in the gut, like this is me not sucking in the gut, it still looks amazing. The length I think is perfect. It might be a little hard to tell on camera, but I don't think it's causing any sort of weird proportion issues with my legs that are short and kind of thick with a couple C's. I love that it has a little bit of flare. I love that this button detail stops here so I can still like, I don't know, show a little knee action, if you will. I love these fit and flare sleeves, which make just everything look much more flattering. But I mean, this dress is just like perfect. I'm obviously gonna have to keep this dress. That's where we're at with this. Okay, so here is the cardigan, if you will. I love everything about it. I think this is perfect. I think this has a little, I showed this outfit to Mike. He loves actually kind of giving a first review on all of my Stitch Fix unboxing videos. And he's like, you look very 70s. And I was like, yes, I love that. I think I am a child of the 70s, even though I am a couple decades off from that. But anyways, I love this. This, I'm like 90% sure I am keeping. It's just perfect. Moving on. So here is this top with the blue jean Just USA denim shorts. So I love this top. My only concern is I was really hoping, I'm long-waisted, so this maybe is possibly the issue. I was hoping this would be long enough so there would be no gap here, but like there's pretty much always just a teeny tiny little like belly button gap, and like these shorts aren't high-waisted enough to cover that up. And I don't know if it looks weird because like, you know, you can tell when there's a deliberate gap and like that's hot. I think this might just look a little sloppy. I don't know. I can't decide, honestly. I do like the top though. I feel like I would just need to pair it with like some higher rise shorts. And then as for the shorts, I am a little bloated. I might just need to size up on these. Mike was saying like right here, they kind of crease a little funny. I do like the length of these. These aren't quite booty shorts, which I really appreciate a lot. He said they look very 70s to him, but either way, I like them and they're comfy. And they're a little tight. I do have some VPLs or visible panty lines with them. But again, I might just need to size them up. I don't know. There's a lot of potential for, excuse me, for this box to be a 5 for $5. So we'll just have to see what the last pair of shorts feel like and what they look like. Okay, here are the last pair of shorts to round out this box. They are a lot stretchier than the other shorts. I couldn't tell if these were supposed to be mid, low, or high-rise shorts, so I played around with like moving them up and down my belly. I don't know. I think like I can make them into booty shorts if I want to. That's for sure. I have that option right now. This is like the mid to low rise version, but with that being said, because I do got them curves, I do know the more I walk, the more that they're going to turn themselves into booty shorts. But I do like these. What's gonna keep this from being a 5 for $5 box is gonna be this top and these shorts, I think. But let's go ahead and look at the invoice and see what kind of damage I can do. Okay, let's look at this invoice. So the cardigan, they're calling it a crochet detail open front something. It cut off, maybe it says on here. Open front woven. They're calling it a woven, but either way, that is $42. The dress is $58. The blue jean shorts are $48. These shorts are, I'm sorry, I mixed that up. The blue jean shorts are $45. These shorts are $48. And this top is $38. So if I were to keep everything, it is $231. However, if you keep everything, there is a 25% discount. So the new subtotal is actually $173.25, and I don't have any credit at the moment. So yes, for those of you who maybe aren't aware, I do have a Poshmark shop. So what I do sometimes, if I'm not feeling quite everything in the box, but I think that maybe some other people on Poshmark, or either you guys, my YouTube viewers, might want to purchase it, I might keep 5 for $5 and then sell the things I'm less excited about on the Poshmark shop. I don't know. If I were to not keep anything from this particular box, it would be this top and these black shorts, most likely. Possibly the other shorts, I don't know. Comment down below if you're interested in seeing that in my Poshmark shop. I've been having some good success with selling my Stitch Fix rejects, if you will, but I don't think I've sold any shorts or pants. I think I've only sold dresses and tops. So I don't know what the market is like for shorts and bottoms. I don't know. I'm gonna have to give this a think over for a couple of days before I just make a final decision. There is potential for this to be a 5 for $5, but there's also potential for me to sell some of this online. So anyways, if you've made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider doing something that will support my YouTube channel and make the YouTube algorithm more likely to suggest this video to other people, such as liking and sharing and subscribing and the notification bell and commenting, and you know, maybe get creative with it. Think of something new. I don't know. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope you guys are staying safe out there.